We play in the QSR space and we're Pizza Hut. We have outlets all around the country. In every state we're represented. You're being in business for yourself, but you're supported by a global network that has the systems, the experience, the knowledge, global buying power, and a clear strategic marketing direction to help us get to the next phase of growth, which in turn you share in as a franchisee. Yeah, ideally, the perfect candidate is someone that is looking for their own opportunity and wants to take ownership. They're actively engaged, they want to work in the store. They're across the detail in terms of the numbers, but they're also most importantly interested in people and developing those people around them because they see the value in those relationships in helping their business grow. And that's where the next generation of our franchisees come from as well, from that pool of people. So we've been doing this for a long time, and 50 years in Australia, and we're starting to really see some projections in the right direction in terms of going up. I think that the biggest misconception is that we are all sitting under a hut and that people come in to have an all-you-can-eat. Look, the reality is that's what we were well known for in the 80s, and we did it very, very well, but the brand's in a very different place now. Our main proposition is at what we call a Delco outlet, which is an inline proposition, sits in an 80 square metre footprint, and it's all about servicing the trade zone through deliveries and fast, convenient pickup. Firstly, have a chat with the franchisor and their representatives, get an understanding of what it is that makes their business tick, and then deep dive further and ask for opportunity to go and visit some stores so you get some transparency about what's going on. Talk to some other franchisees within the network to get a real feel for their passion in the business and what their pain points potentially are. I think you'll find if you do that with our pizza franchisees at present, that you're getting a really good message. Yeah. Pizza Hut's gone through a big reset in recent years, and we've deliberately held back, but now's the time for us to move forward. We've got aggressive growth targets in place, and we've identified 187 trade zones. We're working with an independent company to do that, and it's our vision to be looking at every opportunity to fill those positions and expand the brand.